This is another test of screencast-o-matic using the BCC950 webcam, and we're doing this in Stevenson 324. Okay, this is going to be an example of a PDF on exponents. This has been done by the ISU math department. Let's look at the definition of an exponent, what it does, and how it works. That means going to the next page. The right arrow button does not work on that. So what we have to do is call this up, stop it, go to the next page, okay? And in this case, the next page, we will all right, looking at definitions and examples of exponents. Let's say we want to multiply a quantity by itself a repeated number of times. In this case, we want to multiply the number 2 by itself. Okay? The number that you want to multiply by itself is the base. So 2 is the base here. How many times do we want to multiply it by itself? Well, we want to multiply it by itself 3 times. So we put the number 3 at the upper right hand of the value, all right? And 3 is the exponent. The exponent tells us the number of times we want to do the multiplication here, okay? In this case, we have 2 multiplied by itself 1, 2, 3 times. When you do that multiplication, you wind up with a value of 8. Okay? Let's look at a different example here. And what we will do is call up the pen, stop it, go to the next example, and restart the pen. Now we're looking at a variable. A variable doesn't have any specific value but can take on any one of a number of values. In this case, x is our variable. X is the quantity we want to multiply by itself, and so in this example, x is the base. We want to multiply that base by itself 4 times. And so we put 4 at the upper right of the variable there. And 4 is the exponent. So we multiply x by itself 1, 2, 3, or 4 times. Okay? Since there is no value, we can't actually complete the multiplication, so we leave this as x to the 4th. And when we get a value, we can put it in, complete the multiplication, and get a number.